Hello everyone, this is Surya from Pixel Infos. This is my another new video. In this session, we will see top 5 Python books. This will lead you to become a good Python programmer, and I have linked a PDF file link in the description and download this. These days, everyone are learning through internets, but books are the key skill to make you a good professional at anything. Let's now come to the point. Here I prefer you some books to you. You may be a beginner or a professional, whatever may be. These books help you to become a good professional in Python. The first book is Python Crash Course, and the second book is Python Cookbook. And the third book is Learn Python the Hard Way. The fourth book is Python Head First. Fifth is Fluent Python. These books is very much help you to excel in Python. The average salary of the Python developer in India is 42k and the highest salary is 17k, 117k. So don't hesitate to learn Python. Next, how these books help you. Python Crash Course. It teaches you to basic Python fundamentals. The book is divided into two parts. First half is fundamentals of Python like dictionaries, classes and loops. The second half is project, arcade games, space invaders, data visualization projects. These books end up by providing some basic information about how to develop simple apps. Second book is Python Crash Course Cookbook. It helps you to write a program in Python 3. In this, you can also learn modern tools used for Python development. The third is Learn Python the Hard Way. The book name sounds like it very much tough to learn Python, but not like that. You will be able to learn Python by working 50 to well developed exercise, correcting your coding mistakes, learn what good program look like. You will learn how to install a complete Python environment and Python packages. The fourth book is Python Head First. This will tell you how to build up a data structure and function. The fifth book is Fluent Python. This will help you to learn how to become a proficient in Python 3 and learn Python models, data structure and strong fundamentals. Thanks for watching guys. Make subscribe, like, share my channel.